right, so today, Nonna Pina Sicilian Cucina, we are going to make almond biscotti or almond cookies. Not really biscotti because we're not going to cook them twice. But this is an old recipe that my mother, Nonna Pina over here, has been doing for years and years. And it's not a keto type of cookie like in other videos where we did an almond one that was keto. That one had no sugar in it. But what do we got in this Italian almond cookie, Nonna Pina? What do we got here?
1 kilo di mandorle.
So 1 kilo of almond flour.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
700 grammi di sugar.
700 grams of white sugar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
7 bianche di uova.
Okay, so 7 egg whites, just the whites of these eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what's this here?
And half a bottiglia di vaniglia.
Okay, so half of this bottle, so about 20 milliliters of almond extract. Okay.
Okay.
And that's all the ingredients?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, Pina, let's see what you're gonna do. Nonna Pina, what is this machine we're going to use here for these almond cookies? Nonna Pina, hi. What is this? What is this machine?
The machine put the dough, the...
How old is this machine?
All machine.
How old is this machine?
Hey, 15 years.
50 years. Nice. Okay. So you're mounting it to that. Beauty, metti da cá. Alright. Ok, piglio uno e lo fai vedere. Non devo muovere. Fammi vedere sotto. Alright, smile, ma. Say bye, fai così.
Bye.